You know Xerox. High quality, invented toner, the leader in color. But here's something you may not know. Xerox replacement cartridges provide a high-quality alternative at a lower price than other OEM manufacturers. As the company who invented toner, Xerox knows how to build quality into every cartridge. So you don't have to choose between the high cost of other OEM cartridges or the low quality of aftermarket cartridges. Xerox gives you the best of both worlds. Think about that for a second. Exactly. Because no matter how you think about it, XRC is flat out smart. Feel like you're stuck between the aftermarket rock and the OEM hard place? Not anymore. Xerox quality, a better price, a lifetime guarantee. The smart choice. Xerox replacement cartridges. Your alternative to HP and others.